Can you flesh out more about the spiritual side of this? How do you deal with the struggles and ultimately life? Yeah.
Well, just because you don't have a specific theology, and I don't, when I was a little kid and my grandfather sent me to Bible school, and they told me there was a talking snake in the Garden of Eden. I was very young, but I didn't believe him. And I haven't changed. But that doesn't mean I am not spiritual. I'm just I don't need a talking snake to make me behave well. And I would say that the idea that came down to me, and partly through my family, was that rationality is a moral duty. If you're capable of being reasonable, it's a moral failure to be unreasonable when you have a capacity to be reasonable. I think that's a hair shirt that we should all take on, even if we're pretty stupid, because it's good to be less stupid. And so I think rationality is a moral duty, and that we all have a duty to get better. And of course, we also have to adjust to the other people we're going through our journey with. I think it would be crazy not to have a social safety net when you're rich and successful as we are. Now, I don't think it has to be as dumb as the one we have, but of course we need a solid social safety net. And that's a moral idea, so I'm all for morality without the talking snakes.